We have a little bit service time. This time we're gonna fix Adam's truck. Going completely change its front end. Nice and shiny for one day.
It's not really that shiny.
What's this?
That is his four-wheel drive actuator. I kept kicking out a four-wheel drive on him, so I'm gonna replace it.
Oh, okay, cool.
Maybe it's busted. Yeah.
So there we go. We're gonna do that kind of the work today. All the core 4 is here. We're just waiting for Rick. He's always late.
Rick will be here at like noon.
Yes. Yeah.
If not noon.
Yeah. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday, Decor 4 and so all my friends, we had a very good time in the garage. We are fixing one of our friend's truck. So there was a lot going on. I want to share this video. And just remember, we are not professionals, we are not mechanics, so we do the best we can and just fixing our trucks our way. So don't comment anything negative. I'm not showing this video as something like a tutorial how to fix your trucks. And I think we're gonna have a lot of that kind of the episode in my channel. I call this Happy Car Lift Time, but it's gonna be episode number 1. So let's start.
Happy car lift time. We riding high, talking with friends as the world rolls by. Secrets in the garage, stories unfold. Four hearts together, never growing old.
I'm learning him.
Yeah. Supervise him.
Well, he kind of needs it.
No.
Now you might not need one that long. He's like, I need to. And I'm just sitting here hoping he's going to be able to get to it.
I got it.
Good job.
Great success.
Now wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hook it back under in the frame somewhere. Yeah. Is there a spot underneath the frame that's back there? Yeah. Put that the fat end on there.
Nowhere.
And the shaft
On
right
the
here.
shaft.
From here?
Yeah.
And whack it. I know you're left-handed. All right. So you're loose. So it's moving.
I'm gonna have to put a beep.
See if there's another bolt piece of a knot in that or there is. Okay, yep, I see it.
All right.
Whatever you want to call it.
Get the new rotors and
Yeah, they're pretty.
They're good, yeah.
Pretty recent or new.
What's that?
The rotors, yeah.
And the rotors are new and bearings are new.
His grease from his tie rod in.
At least
Oh
I get
yeah,
some-
yeah.
Or it might be from that upper ball joint.
I have a ton of news, so I don't have to be worried about that. They actually should be new. Oh no, this is the one.
All right. Now, which socket do you need? Ready? Yep. Give me.
This extension.
You can use that, Adam. Use the gun. It should go with the gun. Go on. more.
Yeah, you want to put
Couple,
threads on
yeah.
it.
Huh?
Now you gotta get that one undone. But you're not gonna fit that under there.
No.
So
And work.
this or this?
No extension.
No, yeah, no extension.
What's this?
Is that a torque wrench?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, I just bought
weird.
this.
That's that weird breaker bar. You need a tube socket or a different socket.
They have to make every single ball different size, huh?
Nope, it's not. You need a deep socket. 20?
21.
Hold it up.
You're gonna want to break loose.
But you don't really listen, guys. And you leave it as
Well,
us.
needs the yoke.
No, but you can remove the lower arm and
Yeah.
then we just hit it with hammer. Yeah.
Like now.
I mean, you can play with that, but if it's easier, you can just remove that lower arm and.
So you have a paint pen?
Doesn't want to. Just wiggle like this.
Bolts out, right?
Yeah, they are. Just the rubber, the bushing. Good job.
Hey.
All right, now pull that whole thing out from underneath there. Fucking Jesus clips.
Can I get that big camera behind you? Take this your TV out, hopefully. In one piece, hopefully. Yeah. Ideally.
You may have to turn it a little bit.
It's free.
It's free? Oh, okay. There you go.
Yay! Oh, look. There's the intermediate shaft.
It's good.
It is down. Just slide it in. This isn't all dunked out.
Good job. Very nice. There's Arnie's coming.
Look at those.
Should we paint them red?
You got red?
Actually, extra money for the color.
Now, can you get that in straight?
I'm not very straight, so.
You need to hit it with hammer, probably.
Just make sure you get your hole lined up enough where you can get it in.
Well,
I mean, if you knew what the torque spec was, yes. Because you don't want it to fucking fall off while you're driving. Sorry for
No, you're good.
cussing.
I go and beep. Don't worry.
You broke the axle already?
Yeah. You gotta do the other side too. But it's got a big shaft.
Yeah, it's a big beach. Big beachy one. Open up.
We're gonna have a servicing video this time.
Long shot, man. Lucas spread up.
That's way better.
Actually, that's exactly what I'm doing.
How did we get that here now?
I don't know.
Because it's a pain in the neck.
No microphone. No, nobody gonna hear us. I have to beep this video like every 5 seconds.
Why? 'Cause
Yeah, I don't know. Nobody say anything bad.
Oh, how you like the fuck?
We can put this video. Beep, 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 beep.
Easy. You're cracking plastic.
how should you do this, Rick?
Just
In what form and fashion?
a Hebrew star.
6-point star? With 4 bolts. Okay. Turn it. Pull one side, push the other.
You don't need an extension.
It won't go in there with plastic.
It was actually so easy to remove that.
I literally used that to take it off with no extension.
Look, almost feet.
It might be.
Almost feet.
Adam, use a deep socket. Deep socket that size, the correct size. Look at the one that you just had. See what the number is, and get that one out of the box.
Reach left to right.
Let's see, what did you do? Everything brand new, huh?
Here's a cap for the ball.
I need to put a little more distillate in that bottle there. Yeah, no, there's what to do. Look at my truck, dude. Like, you can't even tell. Huh?
The Ford is next, but we have to do the same on the back wheel.
Okay.
Six.
What are you at? Almost 28? 28.
Like Aaron.
La 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 la. Laughter bounces off the walls, grease-stained hands and engine calls. The sun slants through the open door. We're the core four, ready for more. Early morning, caffeine's hot. Cracked mugs piled by the tire lot. Stories spilled from under hoods. Secret codes we understood. Ratchets clicking in the hush. Oil kicks in, our voices merge with the din. Happy car lift time, we rise together. Jokes and wrenches light as a feather. Dirty talking, busted parts. Garage secrets, fixing hearts. La 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 la. Fender bender, minor scar, patch together who we are. Bolt and banter, spark and spit, grit beneath our fingertips. Trucks and troubles, shifting gears, laughter louder than our fears. Every leak and every man held together, friend with friend. Happy car lift time, we rise together. Jokes and wrenches light as a feather. Dirty talking, busted parts. Garage secrets, fixing hearts. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Greasy palms, midnight plans, engine dreams, calloused hands. Under neon we confess, chrome reflections, share regrets. The roar of engines, beat of trust in this all. It's us or bust. Happy car lift time, we rise together. Jokes and wrenches light as a feather. Dirty talking, busted parts. Garage secrets, fixing heart. When the lights dim and we lock the door, tomorrow brings a little more. Smudged with grease and full of pride.